GK Machine has been growing now for 40 years. From the simple beginning of repairing tractors and trailers to a world-class manufacturing facility, we have made it our business to grow. We now have over 175 employees working in 4 different product areas: agricultural products, greenhouses, custom equipment, and contract manufacturing. Let's take a look at some of the work that goes on here at GK Machine.
We here at GK have a lot of opportunities to work with your hands. So if you have a good work ethic, you're here on time, there's lots of things that you can do to advance yourself throughout the company. You can start in the assembly side of it, putting things together. You can start with the laser tables, breaking out parts, marking parts, doing the quality control. There's just a lot of hands-on jobs here that are available throughout the company.
We could build anything in this place, and every year he got better and better at it. One day we're making locomotives, the next day we're making sprinklers. It changes constantly around here, and that's why I like working here, because it's fast-paced and something new all the time.
What I find interesting about GK is it's located in this small town of Donald, in seemingly the middle of nowhere. You could almost drive right past it, but as soon as you go through the front doors, it's hard to miss all of the technology that's just thriving inside the buildings here. You'd think that it's just a few welders and some assemblers, and they're a big part of our workforce, but there's also lots of engineers, lots of administrative staff that's helping manage the projects, IT folks such as myself that are maintaining the hardware and making sure we're taking advantage of new technologies.
GK is a great place to work because of their family-oriented philosophy about the community and their employees. They treat everybody like family here, so it's a wonderful place to work.
Yeah, GK looks at the person and their work ethic and what they want to do, and we try to match them up and place them in positions where we feel that they will thrive.
GK is really heavy into the technology. We'd like to be the leader. We have won 9 world awards. They take the top 50 engineers of the world. We've been there 9 times.
An important ingredient in our success is our employees. We have painters, welders, machine operators, laser cutters, engineers, salesmen, accountants, and many other positions. Our employees have many skills and a lot of passion for what they do. Working together, we build the products that serve our customers and help them to succeed. We believe that we can build anything that our customers can imagine. What can we build for you?